What's up, y'all? It's your boy Darius Collins / DDC Production / Drift Welding / whatever the hell I actually changed my name to in the past like 2-3 months or whatever. I've been changing my name like a mug. But other than that, I'm about to, in this video that y'all about to watch, I actually installed the E46 control arms on the 318i. But thing is, I sold the car. I'm sorry, guys, but I sold the car. I couldn't do it. I had to, life hit, and I needed the money. I had to go ahead and get rid of the car. But I just realized now is not a good time for me to try to drift. I don't have the funds for that shit. It's not in the works. But BMX is about to start coming out a lot more. I've been doing a lot of just city riding and shit. I'm about to get another GoPro so I can start getting videos of that. Next snowboarding season, I'll have probably some parts coming out. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm getting kind of good at that shit. I don't know if y'all really, I don't know, but that should be coming out next year. But for the rest of this year, throughout the summer and shit, be looking for the BMX videos, a whole bunch of just bullshit coming out, honestly. I'm about to just start uploading stuff. I'm sorry, y'all, but it's about to go down. Y'all just about to see my character, see how I do shit, you know, some everyday life shit. Some people have been requesting it in my life. They not even subscribe to the channel. They might not even see the videos. I don't care. We just gonna upload it. But enjoy this video of me installing these control arms. I think I lost one of the videos, so it might just start in a random spot. But yeah, enjoy this video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to all your friends so that I can get some publicity. Yeah, appreciate it. Yeah. Yesterday, I was out here working on the BMW, putting my new control arms on because I actually smashed my old ones. Let me show you what happened. So, here's my old control arm right here. Well, this is both of them. Let me just even them out so you can see. So basically, I tried to drift this corner because it was raining and I was trying to have some fun. I tried to drift this corner and I smashed my right control arm, just completely bent that bitch. That's okay because we had the E46 control arms that I had come in the mail a while ago, and we got this one on perfectly fine. I was getting the other one on yesterday, the other side, and it was being stubborn, so I'm about to take it out because I accidentally took the lollipop bushing fell off of that side, as you can see. So I gotta take that back off, put the bushing back on. I have some eBay camber arms. Where are they at? Not camber arms, I lied. But the camber thingies, you know, these things. I have those, and I gotta put those on, but I gotta wait so I can put my new tie rods on and get those on, because but got this side on, so we're gonna go ahead and work on the other side and get the other side on. I brought my gloves today because my hands are still dirty from yesterday. Like, it's disgusting under there, but yeah. Alright, so I have no clue. if that recorded that whole thing or not, but we're almost done. so got it on. We got this one on now. It's all on there, all in there, all snug and good. But now I'm gonna take the sway bar off because there's nowhere to put it in the control arms, the new control arms. So I'm just gonna remove the whole sway bar. But you can already tell how far it's pushed out the knuckle. So my tire is literally gonna be sitting like right here. I'm gonna have to roll my fenders at some point, but yeah, this shit's going pretty good. So let's get this done.
No more sway bar.
Alright, so we got the sway bar out. It's probably about to be the weirdest ride now without the sway bar, but everything else is good. We're gonna go ahead and put the wheels back on and make sure she fits. Look at that, that's crazy. But I have got to put the camber arms on or else this is not gonna work, I don't think. If I don't get those camber arms on, this isn't gonna work, because look at that. I have no angle over here. No angle over here. Hella angle over here. And when I do it the other way, it's vice versa. So I gotta figure this shit out. What the hell is going on? Alright, there we go. Okay, so first things first. I got the E46 control arms on there with the camber thingies. I can't even get up under the car to show you right now, but this bitch is pretty low, but it pushed my tires out a little bit, so I'm gonna have to get some spacers, because on the inside in here, it rubs on the inside of the well when I turn too far. I'll show you on this one. You can kind of see right here where it rubs at. If it'll focus in. Yeah, you can see right there where it rubs at. But yeah, this shit's pretty dope. Look at that. Look at that. But I'm about to change. I got this tie rod changed. I'm about to change this one today, and I'm gonna adjust my e-brake. I'm gonna change this tie rod so that I can go get an alignment on this bad boy. But yeah, that's all we're doing today, and that's all that's been done. What the fuck? We got the car up in the air, so now I can get under here and show you. I got the E46 control arms on there with the relocation bracket, so my tie rod relocation bracket up there. But this is the tie rod I have to replace, because on that side, as you can see, there are all new parts. If it'll focus, let's see, focus baby, there we go. All new parts over there, got them all on. On this side, not quite. So we're gonna work on getting this tie rod off. I'm probably gonna have to heat that bitch up a pretty good amount, because that's what I had to do on that side. But yeah, get that bitch heated up, get everything done on this side. As you can see, there's like, this is like stuck together. So I'm about to go ahead and try to burn all of this, basically try to get all the rust out so that I can get it off. Yeah.
More fire.
So the heat didn't work very well, so I'm just about to spray some PB Blast on it and go to my parents' house and grab their crescent wrench, because that'll be better to try to get. That's what I use to get the other side off, so we'll get that so we can get this side off. Okay, so I'm back. I actually just decided to go ahead and get the tie rod off because it was pissing me off, so I just went ahead and just went to work on that bad boy, got it off. And as you can see, that bad boy is disgusting. So this is the old tie rod. Look at that, the top came off of it. So that's just all the grease just sitting out. I'm touching the hot fucking part of it because I just got done heating that bitch up. But it's not that hot, it's not too hot, it's not too bad. But this is the new one. You see how there's actually a ball joint in there. But yeah, this is the brand new one. That's the old one. This is the top of the old ball joint. So yeah, fucking, I don't even know, how old is that? 20 years old. 23 years old. Yeah, it's 2020. 23-year-old car. And that's what my ball joints look like. So let's get this new one on here, and then we'll send it off to alignment probably this weekend. And yeah. So I don't really, the reason why I have to send it to alignment is because the only way I know where to put this is because of where the rust starts. Like right here where it's like super rusty, that's where I'm gonna screw this into, because that's where the last ball joint was. I mean ball joint, tie rod was. Look at this, this is so freaking easy once you get the right shit. All I had to do was get that other one off, and I knew it was gonna piss me off because that side took me literally 4 days to do because it was pissing me off. I just kept stopping. Let me hold this bitch real quick. To the rust. Oh, fucking hell. Come on now. Hold on, that might be too far. Pull it back a little bit. Alright, there we go. Take this off. Stick it in the bracket. Drift from Italy. What up, How? Woo! You feel sturdy, huh? 50s and ones. Pop smoke. There we go. So we got the new outer tie rod on here. She's all nice and snug up here, all nice and snug. I can't even see where I'm pointing the camera. All nice and snug up here. So yeah, I'm gonna get the wheel back on and drop the car and see what we did. All right, so I mean that's all I got for you. So obviously this one isn't pushed in as far as this one because you can just tell by the camera. Oh, hold on. I think I'm tripping. But this shit might be damn near straight because of the camber. There's a cricket back in that bitch somewhere. I don't know where the fuck he's at. He's about to piss me off. But looks like we're done. Got her all done. We'll get an alignment on her sometime soon. But yeah, she's coming together. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. I'll see y'all motherfuckers in the next video, dog. Doses.